Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I'm Eddie Scandura. Welcome to my trains channel. Today, I'll be riding the entirety of the longest light rail line in the world, Elementro's A line, from southern terminus here in Long Beach to its current northern terminus at the AP Eastridge College Station, Azusa, to attend the opening ceremony for the A line's four-stop extension to North Pomona. But first, here's a brief history and some key facts about the longest light rail line in the world. Elementro's Blue Line, the name of the time, commenced light rail service on July 14, 1990, making it the first light rail line of four in Elementro's network, servicing 15 stations. Running in an abandoned Pacific Electric right-of-way for a significant portion of its route between the Willow Street and Washington Boulevard stations, and connecting downtown Los Angeles to Long Beach. 2 months later, the Blue Line was extended 4 stations south from the Anaheim Street Station to its southern terminus in downtown Long Beach, forming a one-way clockwise loop. And in February 1991, the Blue Line was extended 1 station north to its first underground station at south of the Metro. In January 2020, all lines in Elementro's rail and busway system were rebranded from colors to a new letter-based identification system, with the Blue Line changing to the A Line. When the regional connector commenced on June 16, 2023, 3 new stations opened on the A Line's route, and the A Line took over service of the L Line's northern segment, which connected LA Union Station to AP Eastridge College in Azusa. On this day, September 19, 2025, the longest light rail line in the world just got even longer with the extension to North Pomona. 4 more stations were added to the route, extending the A Line 9 miles, 14.5 kilometers. Following the extension, the A Line now spans a total of 57.6 miles, 92.7 kilometers, and services 48 stations. Trains that service the A Line travel average speeds of about 26 miles per hour, 42 kilometers an hour, but its maximum speeds vary significantly, reaching up to 55 miles an hour, 89 kilometers an hour. With the history and key facts covered, thanks for tuning in. Let's ride the entirety of the A Line to North Pomona. All the way there, I found out on Elementro's Instagram page that the ceremony had already taken place.
Station in Azusa. This is as far as this train goes. Exit here for Citrus College and Azusa Pacific University. Make sure you have all of your personal belongings and remain seated or hold on until the doors have opened.
Plot twist. This is the first train to go all the way to our station. So stay tuned.
Hell yeah, brother.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
They were supposed to close.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Why aren't they closing?
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Third time's a charm? There it is.
We're off.
We're off.
This train's final destination is Pomona North Station.
Yeah.
Pomona Station between Vermont and Glendora Avenues. Now arriving, Glendora Station between Vermont and Glendora Avenues. Metrolinx station at Arrow Highway and East Street. Exit here for University of Florida.
Waiting for this 2 or 3 years now. Very excited.
Now we're arriving at Pomona North Station. This is as far as this train goes. Exit here for Casa Colina Hospital. Connect here with Metrolinx San Bernardino line on the nearby platform.
We made it, folks. We made it, folks. Thank you so much for joining me on my journey for LA Metro's A-Line from the southern terminus in Long Beach to its newest terminus at North Pomona. For maybe 2 or 3 years now, I had been keeping updated on the project's progress, and receiving emails, social media notifications, whatnot. I'm beyond excited to have been there for its commencement. Attending the events that LA Metro hosted, it was beyond great. Well done, and huge shout out to LA Metro. I'm looking forward to when the A-Line extends 2 stations east to Montclair, Claremont. Well, Claremont first, then Montclair. And I definitely look forward to, staying updated via email, social media, mail, you name it. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the ride. Hope you all enjoyed the brief history about LA Metro's A-Line. And yeah, hope to see you all on the train. Until then, take care. One thing that I should have mentioned is that Pomona North Station for Metro is directly across the way from Metrolinx Pomona North Station, which services the San Bernardino line. Take the train back to Union and find my way back to Long Beach. So for real this time. Happy rails, everyone. Take care.